Hello guys, and today we are going to disassemble a laptop battery packs. Someone requested me to do so, and as you can see, this is an Acer lithium. Let's focus. Lithium ion battery pack, which are a 14.6 volts rating, and let's get let's get disassemble it now. The tape here. This is for educational purpose only, so let's see what's inside. Let's take out this adhesive. Well, some of you already know what's inside a laptop battery. Some of you are not, so we will see what's inside here. Okay. Next. Almost there. Okay. As you can see, it consists of 4 battery cells. This called the 18650 battery, which are each of it are a rating of 3.7 volts each. So this laptop battery are 4S battery management system, meaning that it can rate 4 battery cells uh, there. So if you want to use this battery, we will test it and see if some of it are reusable, some are bad. What? What? This is the BMS, in short of battery management system, and it's so sticky. I can't take it up, bro. What's wrong, bro? go. It's not taking off. What? There are adhesive underneath, double-sided tape, and there. Oops, one more. One more to go. Oh, there. Let's test it using our digital multimeter. Set it to 20 volts. Let's check this one. This cell is good. 3.7. How about this one? 3.7 again. This one is good. 3.5. This one is bad. Remove it and replace it with the same value as the other ones. 3.6. It's also good. I think it's run out of energy and just charge it. So yeah, that's what's inside a laptop battery. uh just a series of 18650 battery cells. Some of them are in parallel, and that's it for today. Bye guys.